Welcome to EP India Expo 2025.
This electronica, it's all about how we are going to bring AI to the world.
Opportunity for us to directly communicate with customers and any other stakeholders.